a letter. And in the letter, he says, happy early birthday. This is for your birthday. And,
is one room, right?
and for an early Christmas. And he says, happy, and whose name is there?
It's me.
Antero from Kyle.
Yeah.
Okay, and the first thing he sent you is, look.
My Thomas train hat.
Yeah, train hat.
Put it on, bud.
And look,
a little more gray.
another Thomas train hat for Davis.
Oh, go give it to David.
Here it is.
Oh, we got Thomas train hats? Yeah, one each. Nice.
And this,
Hey.
Thanks, Charlie.
Now we have our own conductor hat.
and this box is full of Thomas train stuff.
Damn.
Tracks and box cars and everything. Come over here so your mom can see. Look. You got, look at the engine with, and your caboose.
Yellow.
Or your,
Hey.
Country yellow.
I love my new toys.
you love them? And they've got all these things like stop and go
Wow, I can do that.
for your railway tracks.
Yeah.
Maybe Davis sometime can help you put it all together. Look.
Oh no, Thomas is missing a wheel.
Oh, is he?
You'll have to repair it.
Okay, we'll have to repair it, but we've got other ones.
Wow.
Oh, look at this neat one. Boxcar.
Wow.
It's got an octopus in
What's
it.
wrong with them?
Wow, an octopus.
She doesn't want
Well,
So this is
No, I mean like
this is all your stuff.
wow.
You got
Oh,
tracks and box
It's
cars,
gonna look great.
Nice.
and it says Thomas.
But she
Wow.
wants
That's a big
That way, I can build up a whole train set.
Yeah,
We got
Wow.
a lot of colors.
and some of them.
Well, that's cool.
Ah, that's awesome. Why?
Turn it off!
What did he say?
Full steam ahead.
That was fun.
Look at these.
Ooh, I
What are you guys doing
know.
tomorrow?
Roger, would you like to play with my new
Oh,
train?
Pat's taking us out for supper tomorrow.
Roger,
Yeah.
Yeah.
let's see if this one.
Like this one right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, this room, like this, yeah. I like that one too, you know.
Is that the one that's missing a wheel?
I like that color too. The other two, you can
Maybe.
maybe switch to it. Like,
Yeah,
Oh no.
the brown.
Uh-oh, it's ran out of battery.
You got maybe,
see, the thing
and then
is,
you
like,
got
for me,
some
like,
of
'cause it's
these
one
to
room,
cover over.
it's a struggle.
Wow.
Kitchen
But Davis will help you put it
it's not
together.
broken up, like, there's no really,
I thought
can seal off the wall.
I don't know where you can stop it.
well, you,
I don't know what's all here.
I
You
think you
have
have to
to
do this whole wall the same. I think
yeah.
this wall, you can't do it differently either because then it looks like a comic box. You know what I mean? You can do this one wall,
Yeah.
but this and that would all have to be the same
Yeah.
because there's nothing that like, I can't see it and just say this is an end. You know what I mean?
No, you
And start another color.
Okay, look into the camera and say thank you to Kyle.
We'll have
Thank
to
you.
always start.
In the camera.
This
Say
wall
thank
doesn't
you,
break
Kyle.
up, you know what I mean?
Thank you, Kyle.
Here's another engine
right here.
Yeah.
But
Ooh,
and another one.
there's just a border
Spencer.
here.
I love Spencer.
Spencer! We were looking for Spencer.